Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a Nintendo Switch. So in our place it's very hard to find Nintendo Switch. We went to Walmart, EB Games, everything is like they all are out of stock. So our last option is to buy online. So our option is to buy it from Amazon. So let's do this unboxing first by opening this box. This knife. Am I using my left hand? I'm right-handed. So in the box they put this safety, what do you call this, poly air, yeah, what they used to do for used to put on the packaging, the Amazon. So here's the Nintendo Switch. So this, I believe this is the latest version. I've read that the serial number will let you know that this is a latest version. As they say, it's XAW. I don't know where to find that serial number. SKA, I don't know. I'll check later, but I believe this is the latest version already. So, oh, there, XKW. So this is the latest version with a longer battery, like 2 hours more compared to the original Nintendo Switch. So let's open this box. So you can see here what's inside. So it's the Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con left and right, strap, high-speed HDMI cable to connect on your TV, Switch dock, and what else? Number 7, Joy-Con grip. Oh, they have Joy-Con grip here. And yeah, let's open it. Ta-da! Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is the Joy-Con. The blue and red. Is this red or pink? I don't know. It's neon red. And the Nintendo Switch. Okay. And let's put this aside. What else is in the box? What else in the box is the manual that I don't read much. This is the cable, HDMI cable, the charger. Oh, it's a USB-C, and their grip where you can put this. Let's try it here first. I don't know. Oh, this way. And the other one here, put it here. Okay, it's nice, it's clicky, but this is not a D-pad unlike the other, like a PlayStation they use. Yeah, because you can use this as a 2-player controller, like a Joy-Con. This can be used this way. Oh wait, let me remove this. Okay, you can remove this by pressing the button here. So using this for the second controller, this will become the YXBA button. And here, I'll put this back. I think this is the share button where you can record or capture the screen of your game. Like if you want to post it online, you can press this. They will let you record for, I think, 30 seconds, or I'm not sure yet, but this is the share button or the record button. And let's see what's nice with the Nintendo Switch compared to the other console like PlayStation and Xbox. You can bring it anywhere and continue your game. I mean, oh yeah, and you can play your game using a big monitor. Like if you want to connect it to the TV, like 50 inches, 60 or whatever you have. And then if you want to go somewhere and you want to continue your game, you can bring it, because this is a portable device or a console. So let's open this first, the dock. We have a Nintendo dock, but I might buy it someday. I might buy the third-party dock. So here you can put your Nintendo Switch here. Oh, USB-C, something like this. Yeah, you have to align it properly to avoid damaging the dock. Yeah, I think that's it. And be very careful on inserting this. So you might scratch your screen. I will take this off first and do it slowly. I think you can buy a third party, like a textile or like a sock you can put here. You can, to avoid scratching the screen. As you can see, this is plastic also. There's no like a felt or something that will protect your screen. So be very careful in putting it here. And make sure you align it properly, because this can be damaged easily. Or yeah. And here, what's this? Oh, here. See, there's a USB, charger adapter, HDMI, and yeah, I think this is a heat dissipation hole. Okay, and here Nintendo Switch. So this is portable, so if you want to play it outside, you can put it here like this. Put the other one here. Oh, it's very nice. It's big. My last portable device was a PSP, and I think I also have the Sony Xperia. It's also my it used to be my portable gaming device, and I enjoyed it, even though they have small screen. This one has a bigger screen, so this will be more exciting than my previous portable device, game console. So let's see, this has a kickstand. No, if I do let's see, this is a kickstand, but I think this is very fragile. Here's where you insert your memory card. Yeah, if you want to play it outside, with your friends. For example, you're hanging out with your friends outside, you can take this off, and let's put this aside. You can put it like that. And this can be used as player 1, and this one is for a player 2. And you can also buy more Joy-Con if you want to play with more players. Like, I think the maximum here is 8, and there are games that are good for family games, like Mario Party, I think, Let's see. Let's try to power it on. You can see the reflection in the camera. So it says here, put on the Joy-Con. Okay, let's just follow the direction on the monitor. And here, there's a sound that will. So let's set this up. Okay, later. So okay, let's try to take this off. Okay, and this one. Okay, it says here, use the left stick to select next and press A. Okay, you can use the console with the Joy-Con controllers attach or detach. So let's see. So setup is complete. It says here press the home button. So here's the home button. Insert the game card. Alright, we gotta insert the game card, and of course we have to play this. Either you download game online, and for now I bought Animal Crossing game. Let's open this. Where's my handy dandy knife? Here. Unboxing of Animal Crossing New Horizon. This is very popular now, aside from Super Mario and Zelda. So. Whoa, that's it. This is it. Okay. And I don't know where to insert this. Let's see. Maybe here. Here's where you insert the game card. Okay. Inserting the game card. Okay. Alright. So once you insert the game will show here. And okay, I'll put this back on the Joy-Con. Okay, let's try this one. Press A to start. Okay. As you can see the reflection, I'm using my DSLR. That's EOS 70D from Canon. See? Yeah. Let's see. Put this closer to the camera. Okay. Yeah, that's it for now. We'll do another video for this. So for now, thank you for watching this unboxing of a Nintendo Switch, and let's enjoy this later. I have to clean this up. And again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this unboxing. Yeah, thank you.